gosh! Oh! Oh my god! What's your opinion on that car being obnoxiously loud now? You hate it?
I really can't stand it. It's just, I'll text him and he leaves and I'm like, I'm in the basement and I hear you.
What's up, Hodelines? What do I call him? What's up, YouTube? What's up, you guys? What do I say next?
I'm not sure, actually.
What does this take? 4 or 5?
I think we're on 6.
6? Oh. What's up, you guys? Dude, your car is so loud.
I know.
Alright, well anyways guys, we're back in Arnold. It's been 4 months since I've been here at Tim's house. We're with the C8 again. The thing is so loud. Think I can wheelie this thing?
I don't think you can. You could just like pull up, but it doesn't really work. Unless you're gonna like fall backwards.
No, this little e-bike, most fun thing ever. No. Oh, I can't go that way. Street signs, guys. Can't put those in. Oh. Oh. I don't know what to do now. Dude, a Springfield trampoline has to be the goofiest thing ever, but it's like cool. Also, I don't know if you guys know this, but like I can do like pretty good trampoline stuff. Oh, it's in my eyes. I'm fine. I gotta do something like, I have to do something semi-cool now. How cool is that? You're just supposed to say something?
Oh, should I have said something?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Thank you.
She does what she wants and she looks cool doing it.
Well, I don't even know how to open this thing. Okay. There's a little like button. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this thing is so clean looking. I'll close my door. Oh my goodness. Are you getting? Oh my god. That's so loud. Alright, well, we're on the side of the road waiting for the Corvette to come. I'm recording. We're on the highway waiting for the Corvette. That was crazy, guys. All right, we're gonna do round 2. That wasn't a great flyby. We were kind of in the wrong spot. Round 2, you guys. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Dude, we got these like pricklies on our pants, and they're so, ow! Look at this, ow! No, yeah, look at our legs.
Rolling and sticker pushes.
Yeah. Rev it when he gets there. Ready? Oh my God! Keep it going, keep it going. All right, we just got fog machines and we were just kind of testing it out. We have, there's 3 of them. This is just one, it's warming up right now, but you just saw, we kind of made it look like it was doing a burnout, which looked kind of cool. It's just basically getting the Halloween spirit, kinda. All right, so ready to watch this. This little green button here is what controls the smoke. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so cool looking. Oh yeah, no, that's spooky right there. Okay, we're now switching up the license plate to this just X. It looks better with the picture.
It's definitely more Halloween themed.
Exactly. All right, here we go. We're about at the underground parking garage. About to absolutely rev the crap out of this thing. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. Alright, time to go. Alright. Well, it's a good day when you make it home safe. Man, that was crazy.